He was a to say new for everyone. In 1992, a dog named Bobby was born. He was a Portuguese Mastiff and modeled life. He lived between 12 and 40 years. But Bobby was different and he lived an incredible 30 years and 165 days. The beginning of Bobby's life was difficult. When he was born, the owners didn't know when him or his three brothers. And continuation, people die about every day, wishing was normal at that time. A young man named Leonel Costa and his brother intervened and saved Bobby. He became part of his family and lives with Lionel in Australia. In February 2023, Bobby officially became the world's oldest living dog. He broke the record previously will be blood on Australian shepherd dog. He lived 20 21 years and 5 months. Remember this Emmy News one presentation of the Ingri Vargas. Goodbye.